today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here, you guys. I'm loving it. And for those who have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you guys know I do not do middle parts at all. Like I'm a bang girl. I love my swoop bang. I love bangs in general. So when I saw this wig, I was like, let's try something new. It's 2020. Why not? And I love the waves. I love the curls. It's not too curly and it's not bone straight. I love that it does have a little bit of waviness in it. This hair is heat safe, so you can use a curling iron or a flat iron. Do not blow dry it though, it will ruin the hair, but you can use hot tools on it if you guys want more curls or more waves, or if you don't really want the wavy look and want to straighten the ends, you can do that. But you guys, I love that it has a scalp. If I can get close, you guys can see the scalp is like really nice, and it's like scalp color, so I love that. I was debating if I want to shift it to have my bang, because this is going to be a lot to get used to. I'm not used to having a middle part, but I will make it work. But yeah, I really love it, you guys. Let me go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. So it's super, I love it. And this color isn't a 1B. I usually get my hair in a 1, but they only had this particular wig in a 1B, so I just got the 1B. It doesn't say how long the wig actually is, but you guys can see where it falls to about bra length. But you guys, I'm living for this hair. Oh, I'm really about to go out with the middle part, but you guys know I wear bangs mostly because I have a really big forehead. I have a 5 head or a 6 head, I don't know, whichever. So I'm always used to covering it with the bang, but I'm just like, I pulled it down a little bit. You can't really tell that I have a big head. Like, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into more details about the wig so you guys can find out a little bit more information. This is kind of just me showing how it looks. It does have adjustable straps on the back. It does have combs. I didn't use the combs, but I did use the adjustable straps. I put it on like the last little clasp, so it's not too tight on my head, because if wigs are too tight I tend to get headaches, so I did not want that to happen. So I used it a little bit, but yeah, I'm looking at myself in the thing and I just like, what you mean? New hair? Who does? I'm so annoying. But anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into the deets of this wig. So here it is in the package. The FreeShift Dr. Free H Cony 4H deep hand tied part. Free shiftable part is from Sister Wig, The Dream. It's in the color 1B. Let's go ahead and take it out. So this wig did come with a wig cap. I don't wear wig caps with my wigs, but I thought that was really cool that it does come with one already. So here's the wig out of the pack. It just has the net on it, which I'm going to go ahead and take off. It does come with this little card, which I already showed you guys the front. And the back does have washing care, brush hair in sections, bottom, middle, top, from top to bottom with the wide tooth comb. Do not overbrush, cut off excess tangles as desired. Gently wash the hair in lukewarm water, rinse thoroughly in cold water, and shake off excessive water. Do not wring hair. Air dry the hair. Do not use a blow dryer to dry the hair. Style as desired. And this is a heat safe wig, so you can use a curling iron or a straightener up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And different products by this hair company is Hollywood, Hair Fantasies, Zury. Zury's a great hairline. And that's it. So let's go ahead and take the net off the hair. So I went in here ahead and took the hair net off the hair. It has the little refreshing tabs right there. As you guys can see, it did have the white paper inside the wig to keep its shape, and this to keep the freshness. So this is the wig right here out of the pack. You guys can see it has the scalp right here, very realistic looking. It does have like a little bit of lace, as you guys can see. It's a little bit curly. It looks more wavy than curly. That's the front. The back is like that. The curls are really, really, really nice right out of the package. I haven't combed it. I haven't manipulated it in any way. This is just how it looks straight out of the pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. Look at how the waves and the curls bounce. Super, super nice. Loving it. As you guys can see, there's 2 combs at the top right here. In the bottom is another comb, and you guys can see the adjustable strap, which I have on the last class. And for those of you who would like to know what products I use on my wigs, I use this wig control. It's by African Essence. It's a 3-in-1 formula for humanist synthetic hair, wigs, falls, and hair pieces and braids. It softens, conditions, provides moisture and sheen, and it is $3.99. I did get this wig from my local beauty supply, and I also got this wig spray from my local beauty supply. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.